Now that we have a customized pinned icon on our taskbar that takes us to our most frequently used applications, and we have set up a jump list by merely opening up a document, saving that document, and it's going to take the last 10 documents. And we can go to it right here. There's a few more things to show. One is, let's just right-click on the little pin, and you can see pin to this list, remove from this list. And you might be wondering, well, what's the difference between a pin to the list and remove from the list? Remember, these are just recently opened documents, so they're not necessarily going to pin something that you didn't open to the taskbar, and more precisely to the jump list on the taskbar. So we say pin to list. So it's going to be pinned. It's basically there, and we can go to other documents that we have within our system and pin them to the list. So we can go to them no matter what. We can totally customize this that you see. Now, let's say that we want to unpin this from the list. We come right down here, unpin program from the taskbar. And it's not pinned anymore, and it's completely gone. It's not pinned here anymore. Now, if we did open up Word, and what I'm trying to show you now is the difference between pinned to the taskbar and the regular taskbar that you have. What you'll see right down there, there's our taskbar. So that is how you unpin an icon from the taskbar. And notice right here, when we right click, we still have the different documents that we had opened during our life cycle. All right. Now, you might be wondering, well, how do we change the number and how we change some of the behavior that we see over here? That's pretty easy. We can just go to Properties. And we see here the taskbar properties. And from the taskbar properties, we go right here to jump lists. And this jump list, if we don't want to store those recently opened programs, we can uncheck that. If we wanted to store and display recently opened items in jump lists, we can uncheck that. And now, if we only want 5, let's say we only want 5 different recently opened items inside of the jump list, right there. We just change that to a 5, click OK, and then what's going to happen is we right-click here, and it's only going to show 5. I don't want to go through and open up 5 different documents, but I'll open up another one and a friendly little note here. Other fine folks. Okay, yes, folks. I didn't mean to blast the microphone by saying folks. There we go. I click this and then click Browse. Click Save. And then what you're going to notice here is we have both of them. This one is pinned and this one is just recent. So you can see the difference between those two now as well. That one of these we pinned to the actual jump list, and the other one is just a recently opened document. We can change some stuff here. We can say unpin from this list, and there it is. It just goes to recent documents after that. Now, the reason we have this is it gives you the ability to pin certain documents that you're working on all the time, and it takes you a good, 15, 20 seconds to open it, maybe even a half minute. Well, those half minutes add up, and you should try to customize your taskbar to your needs for the different applications that you start. So that is a look at how to unpin an icon from the taskbar, how to change the behavior of your jump lists, and general jump list information we have for Windows 8.